Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So today we're doing a airsoft gun unboxing. So if you guys like airsoft and airsoft videos like me, then you know Ukarms is like the worst. This thing is heavy, so it means it has metal. And it does, because I've seen videos on this. So it is a G6. Basically, just all the normal UK Arms things you would see on a UK Arms airsoft pistol. Yeah. And yes, this is airsoft. See, it has the orange tip. Please don't take this video down. It has the orange tip. Anyways, here it is. I already cut off the tape for this video, so this is useless. That's just like whatever those are called. So here we have the BBs. Oh my god, look at the high quality BBs. Now the actual gun itself. Oh my god, this is pretty heavy. Wow, this is. Oh, I was not expecting it to be gold like this, and of course it's gonna rattle a little bit because the metal is like hitting the plastic, but other than that, it's like it's got some good weight to it. And hold on, let me just get the cup where I usually put my phone in. No, that's not good. Okay, hopefully the audio quality is good. So yeah, this thing is honestly insane. Okay, by the way, this is my first ever airsoft gun. So yeah, this is honestly really cool. So I definitely recommend this for beginner airsofters. And that's not even a word, I'm assuming. But yeah, it comes with a small bag of BBs. I bought these BBs right here. Again, they are from Ukarms. So yeah. This could last a couple of CQB games. And the reason I'm saying CQB is because I really don't think this would perform well in the field. In the fields, it's honestly really good. And the mag has some good weight to it too. If for those of you guys who are not familiar, all you have to do is just pop this up, and you know what? I'm not even familiar with this myself. I guess you just sort of dump it in there. I am honestly not familiar with this myself. Wow, okay. Yeah, honestly, this is a great gun for beginners. If you're like just getting into airsoft and you're on a budget, this costed me like around somewhere $30. The slide feels really nice. It's really smooth. It's a little hard, so I wouldn't recommend it for younger audiences. Yeah. Other than that, it has a nice metallic gold touch to it. Yeah. And the mag, it kind of seems like an extended mag, but it isn't. It's just this is just a little rip thing. Of course, you could do like a tactical reload, but I don't have another magazine. I mean, oh my god, I probably just made a lot of people click off this video. I meant clip. I am so sorry. This is a clip, not a magazine. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, you can do a tactical reload. Come on. No, the mag just goes flying out. And yeah, that's basically the end of this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this review, my first review. Yeah, I'll see you guys in another video.